Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yesterday, ya shabab, we take that we have something called distance, okay, and also we have something called position and direction, okay, and also we take that frame of reference. We take all of that yesterday, okay, and we take some examples about to understand more about distance, position, direction, frame of reference. Let's take an example. Okay, if you remember, we said that we have boy here, and this boy like to run so much, and how it's running, I don't know. Okay, anyways, now this boy like to run so much, and he moves 5 meters every 1 second. Okay, it means after 5 seconds he reached 25 meters. Okay, now if he started from here with a 0 second and 0 meters, okay, now this point start from that is called frame of reference. Okay, yeah, the point started from, okay, that is the frame of reference. Okay, and 25 meter, that is his position. Okay, his position now is 25 meters from the frame of reference. Okay, and how far it is from here to there, 25 meters. 25 meters here, that is distance. That is distance, okay, 25 meters. And the distance every time we have meter for distance, okay. And if we say that what is the direction for him, now he moves to the east. He moves to the east. East is direction. Okay, now again, frame of reference, the point start from. Position, his position after 5 seconds. Distance, how far it is, how far he has after 5 seconds. Okay, now that is the distance. Direction, he moves east, west, north, south, that is the direction. Okay, okay, today inshallah we will speak about something new that is called speed. Okay, okay, now to understand the speed meaning and to know more about the speed, I like speed so much. I'm fan with cars and speed, and like that, I think most of you like cars. Now look over for this video and back again to speak about speed, and be concentration in this video. After the video, I will ask you about some things. I will ask you about frame of reference, position, distance, direction. Okay, I will ask after the video all of these questions. Please be more concentration. Wow, amazing. Okay, now let's ask you some question about this supercar. Yes, remember. Okay, now let me to ask you some questions about this amazing car. Okay, now how much distance this car move after 35 seconds? Okay, how much distance for this car? From the picture you can see it now from this diagram here on in front of you, okay, with this Bugatti Chiron. Now how much distance we have? Give me your answer, please. 3,112 meters after 35 or after 40 seconds. this car can move for 3,112 meters. Amazing, amazing. Do you know 3,000?
So fast.
How much? 3,000 means more than 3 kilometer. More than 3 kilometer. Okay, now that is the answer, guys. Yes, amazing. Okay, now let me to ask you another question. Yeah, what is the direction with this car when this car start to move from here? If you look over here, okay, suppose that the car will move like that. Okay, now look over. What will happen now? Now this car start from here. Please quickly, my friend. Okay. Okay. Now okay. My second question is, what is the direction? What is the direction of this car? You think? Yeah, this car moves for where? What do you think? Okay, let me. Yes. Yeah, this car move where? What is the direction? Yes, give me your answer, please, guys. Direction for this car maybe to the east. Okay, that is the direction. Okay, and the frame of reference, it means the point to start from. That is the frame of reference. Okay, what I mean with that? Okay, now suppose that, guys, we have another boy look over for this car, but standing here or standing there. Now the distance will be different if we change the frame of reference. If we change the boy or man, he will measure or calculate the speed for this amazing car. Okay, now let me ask you the last question. What does this number mean? You can see that number here, guys. Okay, 150, 20, 200, 300, 350, 400. What does it mean? What these numbers mean, guys? Anyone know? Yes, give me your answer. Now this one here is the meaning of speed. You can see that how much speed this car have. Now 100, 150, 200, 300, 350, 400. That is the speed of this car. And you can see that here. Now when they calculate the speed, 278 kilometer per hour. It means that this car can move 78 kilometer per hour. Okay, now at the end here, at this moment, look over at the end. What is that? Yes, here. Okay, now let's play it. Okay, now can you see that, guys? Now 37 seconds. 37 seconds. Okay, now complete. No. Now he slowed down. Now he slowed down. Okay, now he reached 335 kilometer per hour. Look over. Now 340, 344. Amazing. Okay. Okay. Now look over. Now 400 kilometer per hour after 33 seconds. Can you imagine? Amazing. For the speed, this car can reach 400 kilometer per hour after 33 seconds. That is called speed. 400 kilometer per hour. That is the speed meaning. Okay, now that is our session for today. Today we'll focus on the speed and how can we calculate the speed for any car, for any object, for any boy move or run like that. We explain that today. Listen, please. Now, at first, guys, again, this point is very important. Now, we said that distance is how far it is. Okay, and this distance measured by meters or kilometers, no problem, or mile, all of them right. Okay, yeah, all of them right. Okay, guys, now all of that are units for distance. Okay, guys, now suppose that the same boy run where? Okay, he is running in this direction. Suppose that he running in this direction like that. Okay, and start from here. He was here in this place. Okay, now he started from 0, of course. This t, it means time, and the distance. Okay, now after 1 second, okay, he reached 5 meters. After 2 seconds, he reached 10 meters. After 5 seconds, he reaches 25 meters. Okay, now the question is, what is the speed for this boy? what is the speed for this boy? From this diagram, please tell me how much speed for this boy each 1 second. What is the speed of this boy? Can you understand? Can you tell me? How can we calculate the speed? How can we calculate the speed? How can we know the speed for any object? To know the speed for any object, we will make divided by. Okay, now speed equals distance divided by time. Okay, now suppose that we will divide 25 divided by 5. Okay, now 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Okay, of course, 25 meters. 25 meters divided by 5 seconds equals 5 meters per second. 5 meters, that's the speed for this boy. He moves 5 meters every 1 second. That is the speed for this boy. Okay, is that clear, guys? Now, to know the speed for any object, you will make distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. Okay, very simple, very easy. Okay, guys. Now let's give you another question. Suppose that another boy faster than the first boy. Okay, and he runs like that. Okay, and after 10 seconds he reaches that 50 meters. Okay, after 10 seconds he reaches 50 meters. Okay, now this boy, the speed, how much speed we have here? Give me your, now that is 5 meters per second, and meter per second unit of speed. Okay, let me ask you another question. I will ask you another question. Suppose that we have car. Okay, black car. Okay, and like that, not bad. Okay, now, and this car can move 100 kilometers after 1 hour. What is the speed for this car after 1 hour? What is the speed for this car after 1 hour? Now this car can move 100 kilometers per hour. What is the speed of this car after 1 hour? Speed equals distance divided by time. Okay, how much distance we have here? 100 kilometers. How much time here? 1 hour equals 100 kilometers per hour. Just it. Very simple. Okay, guys, now that's the meaning of speed. How much the distance the object move with time. Okay, excellent. Okay, guys, now again we take that distance by meter or by kilometer or by mile. Sometimes, guys, we can also measure distance by mile. Okay, and we take the direction. If you look over here, we have direction to the east or to the west, like this black one here. He moves to the west. Okay, now that is the direction. Okay, now if we are speak about the speed with direction, now we are speaking about velocity. Again, guys, what's the difference between speed and velocity? Repeat, guys, with me, please. Velocity. Repeat. What is the difference? Now, speed, we do not have direction. No direction. No direction. We just have numbers. But velocity, we have direction. What does it mean? Okay, now if we are speaking about the first boy and we said that he moves 5 meters per second and stop talking, now we are talking about speed. Okay, 5 meters per second. But if we said that 5 meters per second to west, okay, now we are speaking about velocity. Okay, now we are speaking about velocity. Now that is the difference between speed and velocity. Okay, يا شباب? Now that is the difference between speed and velocity. Okay, now let me to ask you some questions to know you understand or not. Okay, I will give you another example. Okay, now suppose that we have another object moves 10 mph. mph here, guys, it means mile per hour. mph, it means mile per hour. Okay, now 10 mile per hour, and that is the speed for this object. But if we said that 10 mile per hour, okay, to east, now that is the velocity. If we have direction, we have velocity. If we do not have direction, we have speed. Okay, that is the difference, guys, between both. Okay, now that is the some examples about. If we are talking about just the numbers without any direction, we are speaking about speed. But if we conclude the direction, in this case we have velocity. Okay, now velocity is how the object moves with time, but we have direction. If we have direction, we are speaking about velocity. If we do not have direction, we are speaking about speed. Okay, guys, now that is the difference between speed and velocity. Now let's back again to the book to understand more what he explained, that the speed is a distance of an object moving an amount of time. Okay, now how much distance over time, that is the speed. Okay, now if you look for cheetah, for example, cheetah can move 112 kilometer per hour. Okay, now when we say that 112 meter or kilometer per hour, that is the speed. Okay, or we can make it also 70 mph, it means mile, okay, per hour. That also the same meaning. Okay, and also here, guys, the mile per hour or miles per hour or the kilometer per hour, all of them are the unit of the speed. Kilometer per hour, mile per hour, or the meter per second. All of that are unit of speed. Okay, yeah, thanks a lot, Adil. Let's complete, guys, about the next part. Thanks. We describe the speed with direction. We have speed with direction, ya shabab. Okay, now that is the difference. Now we have direction in velocity, but speed, no direction. No direction. Okay, be careful for this word, please. Don't confuse. Complete. We have a lot of examples about velocity and speed. Okay, and you can understand that if you focus in the direction. If you see the direction, west, east, down, up, direction with the number, it means velocity. But if we have just numbers, it means how fast it is. Now that is the speed. That is the difference between velocity and speed. At the end, we have another example that is called pendulum. The pendulum, as you see here, that is the pendulum. We have mass, at the end of road. That is the pendulum. And this pendulum has speed, has velocity, because this one change velocity and direction all of time. Now the direction it change and also the speed it change. Here will be slow. When moves down, it will move the speed. It will speed up. Okay, and slow down again, and speed up, and slow down again, and speed up, and like that. Swing. Slow, speed up, and like that. That is velocity, change speed, and change the direction. By the way, we have a lot of examples. You can look over in your book for this train, for the previous page. Also, we have a lot of examples about speed of cheetah, horse, elephant, mouse. All of them have speed, and you can understand that more from the examples in your book. And also, we explained today a lot of examples. I'm sorry, guys, the video is finished. Thanks a lot for listening. If you still have a question, you can ask me in WhatsApp.